Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of data mining, specifically focusing on the different types of data mining techniques used by data scientists and analysts. It's like exploring a treasure trove of information. Our first stop is clustering. Imagine you have a massive data set and you want to uncover groups with similar characteristics. That's where clustering comes into play. For instance, marketers use it to identify various groups within their target markets. It's incredibly handy when you're not exactly sure what similarities may exist within your data. Next up, we have classification. Think of it as sorting items or individuals into categories based on a previously learned model. You might use classification after clustering. This system not only identifies potential groups within a dataset, but also assigns new data to the appropriate group. It's like having a well-trained assistant who knows where everything belongs. Now, let's talk about association. This technique hunts for pieces of data that are often found together. It's the magic behind those recommendation engines you see online. Just like when Amazon suggests another product you might like based on your previous choices. Anomaly detection is our next stop, and it's crucial for spotting outliers. These are pieces of data that don't quite fit the usual pattern. Imagine a Sherlock Holmes of the data world, hunting down the unusual and potentially fraudulent. It's particularly valuable in fraud detection. Moving forward, we have regression, a more advanced statistical tool that's widely used in predictive analytics. This technique helps in many ways, from boosting engagement in social media and mobile apps to forecasting future sales and minimizing risks. You can also pair regression with classification in a powerful tree model that fits many different scenarios. Now, let's dive into text mining, a technique that examines how often people use certain words. It's incredibly useful for sentiment or personality analysis. Think about analyzing social media posts for marketing purposes, or even detecting potential data leaks from employees. Text mining keeps a close eye on the words that matter. Finally, let's talk about summarization, a process that transforms a group of data into a more compact and easily understandable form. This is where you create graphs or calculate averages from a given dataset, making data more accessible and insightful. Data mining is an exhilarating journey through the various types of data mining techniques. These are the tools that data scientists and analysts use to extract valuable insights from the vast sea of data. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more data-driven content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.